Hello everyone, this video intends to help you input, calculate and interpret the results of your Mann Whitney U statistical test in preparation for your IB Psychology internal assessment. So the first thing that you need to do is to go onto the Vasserstats website and to scroll down the side menu and click onto Ordinal Data. Once you have found the page for Ordinal Data, you need to click on the Mann Whitney U test. You will then be shown a page where it asks you to add in your sample sizes. This refers to the number of participants in each condition. Here you need to place the larger sample in the first box, click OK, and then the smaller sample in the second box and click OK. The next step is to scroll down until you see the table that is titled Import Raw Data. Here you need to enter the raw data for each condition. Please make sure that you enter the correct condition raw data for sample A and sample B. So look back at the steps that you did at the beginning when you had to enter which was the largest sample and make sure that corresponds. Once you have inputted all your raw data, you will need to scroll down and click on Import Data to Data Cells. This will take your raw data into another table, and you should see that that information should be transferred there. You then scroll down again, click Calculate from Raw Data, and your data should appear in the table of ranks. Calculate from ranks, scroll down, and then you should see 3 tables that you are going to use to understand whether your results are significant or not. The next step is to interpret the results of your statistical test to understand if a significant difference was found between the 2 conditions of your independent variable. To do this, you must first look at the result from your Mann Whitney U test. This is the UA value. It is the observed value from your statistical test. The next step is to identify the type of hypothesis you predicted. For the IB Psychology internal assessment, this should be a directional test. Psychologists first look to see if their results are significant at a probability level of 0.05. Here you should compare your UA value from your test to the critical values in the table. The rule of the Mann Whitney U states that if your UA value is equal to or smaller than the lower limit, your result is significant to 0.05. Or if your UA value is equal to or greater than the upper limit, your result is significant to 0.05. If you find your results are significant to 0.05, then you should check to see if they're significant to 0.025 and compare your UA value to the lower and upper critical values for this probability level. And if your results are still significant, then you should compare your UA value to the lower and upper critical values to the 0.01 probability level. Thank you for watching. You should now be able to input, calculate and interpret the results of your Mann Whitney U statistical test.